Hey, this is Jason with Zero to Programmer, and I am back with another HTML video. So today we're going to kind of take a break from actually learning something new, and we're just going to kind of organize the page. I tried to do this video while I was doing the page, and my computer crashed on me. So I'll just go over what I did. And basically I had all this stuff that we had done in these videos, and I kind of made them in categories. If you see over here where we're running the page, I made an index to where we did these links, and the about me, which I didn't put anything in really, and then I did the customizing tags right here, and then we did the definitive orders and unordered list right there, and then I made another one for tables, and I moved the image link down to the bottom where it actually, we clicked on it and sent us to my YouTube channel. We put an image link H2 header 2, I think it's header. And so what we're going to do now, while I got you on camera, is actually make these bookmarks. So we're going to bookmark these indexes right here, just like we did with the about me earlier. Let me see if I can find it. There you go, about me in the table. We're going to create more of those so that we can kind of just click on what we want to do. There we go. Space down again. And start off href. If you haven't watched my videos on how to make a link, please go back and watch that. But href is, or A is a link tag, and then inside the link tag you have to use this href, which is a hyperlink reference tag, or I'm sorry, attribute inside this tag for it to ask for a location. And so we're actually going to hashtag to call forth, where we're saying, okay, we have a class made or an ID made. We're going to look for that now, and what we're going to start with is the index. So actually, I tell you what, we really don't need an index because we're already at the top of the page, right? So, okay. Skip index, go to about me. We already have our about me right here. Let's go to customizing tags. So we'll back this up and put it under the about me. Try to keep it in order. I don't know if you can hear my son screaming in the background, but he's having a fit right now. Hashtag, and we're going to make this called, I think I already have a name for it down here. Let me look. So go down to the body. Let's find the customizing tags. See, I've centered everything so it's centered to the center of the page. So if I move this out, I'm sorry. There we go. Move this out, it actually stretches to the center of the page. So, good little side note there. But okay, we have the table, and so let's go up to these right here. And so I called this customizing underscore tags. So we're going to go up here to there, and then we're going to go customizing underscore tags there. Close, and then to make it look like what it actually says, we're going to do customizing tags, or go to, there you go. And so now we have that, and we'll just put a line break in between these. Sure, by now, if you've watched my videos, you pretty much know what a line break is. Okay, so we have customizing tags, and so under that we want another one, which is ahref, and let's see what it's actually called. I believe I called it DL OL UL, I believe. So I can find it here. Here we go. Yeah, so here's my ID where I made inside the H2 tag, and it has an ID, and it says OL underscore or DL underscore OL underscore UL, and so that's what we're actually going to look for, or that's what we're going to type in up here to make our link. So DL underscore OL underscore UL, close, and close tag, and go to definitive. Yeah, I just noticed I made a typo there. I'll have to fix that. Score and unordered list. There we go. And that should do. Let me fix this. I left out an I over here at definitive, so I'm gonna run over here and fix that real quick. Definitive. Oops. There we go. And it wouldn't be a bad idea to take a good look at your website when it's ran. Make sure there isn't any typos or anything. Obviously, if it's part of the code, the syntax, and it's spelled wrong, your program won't even work. So there we go. So we've got so far. Go to About Me. Go to Customizing Tags. Go to definitive order or definitive ordered and unordered list, and we're going to want a line break in between those. Up. There we go, and into this one. Tab over. Alright, another thing we're going to want to do is make sure to close these link tags. There you go. So far I think everything is closed. Okay. Alright, so we have our About Me right up there, our customizing tags, our definitive ordered and unordered list, our table, and we'll do another one for image link. Make sure I have one for image link. Yep. Oh, actually I don't know. So ID equals let's do image link and close quotation and img underscore link. So come back up here. Line break. Now, I don't know if you've noticed or not. I don't know if you've noticed before, but sometimes I have to go back and look at my notes to actually type this stuff. I have been getting really good about not having to do that. So, if you watch my blog about completing my first 20 hours of HTML, to kind of explain that to you, but basically, let me type this in right so I don't remember, so I don't forget. Image link, so I think it's img_link. Yeah. Close. Yeah, so basically it's saying after you do these 20 hours, you should be able to tell a pretty good difference. So, I mean, I'm not having to look at my notes as much. And it just kind of seems a little easier. I know I'm talking and typing, that kind of doesn't work, but for the most part it does. It seems a lot easier. There we go, and everything looks good. So we go to the About Me, boom, right up there at the top. Go to the Customizing tag, right up there at the top. Definitive order. Oh no, what happened? Okay, let's check this. So something's going on here. Definitive order. DL_OL_UL. Wait. Hang on. DL_OL_UL. DL_OL_UL. We're just going to try something. I'm wondering if that syntax is messing with the messing with the code here. I think that's refresh. No. So def L ord L def L ord L or ord L. Maybe that's what it was. There wasn't an L in there. No. Okay, I'm going to pause the video real quick and I'll check and see what's going on with it. Okay, figured it out. So, get this off here. There we go. Everything looked right, and then I finally figured out that I didn't put a hashtag to actually ask for that. So it took it as we're to try to find that link on the internet or whatever, that file. It basically came up as a file. So this hashtag right here, request an ID, is basically what it's requesting. So we're saving this, refresh, go up here, and there you go. Works beautifully. So we have that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one will still work, but I don't want to deal with all that right now. So I'll do more organization. I'll probably do another 2 videos before I actually get back into showing stuff. We have a few more things, and then we'll get into a little bit more complicated stuff. So while I'm doing these organization videos and you're waiting on something else, go back and watch some of the other videos and practice on your own. That way, when I get done with this, we'll be ready to start getting a little more into it. So yeah, that's it. I mean, like I don't know if I said in this video or not, so I had to record again. There are other ways of doing this. Like I could have gone up here to the style and did like a CSS kind of style stuff, like I was doing with the tables, which we will do that later on when I start showing off the CSS stuff more. And I mean, there's a bunch of stuff, a bunch of other ways you can do this, but this was just a nice little HTML way. Of course, when you go into HTML5, there's probably a few ways you can do it there. So yeah, stay tuned to all that, and we'll get more in depth. But like I said, I'll do another few. What I kind of want to do is make this a unordered list, this too, and actually I'm going to move this to a source. So I'll actually make another one of little H2 and put it in the source, or I might actually put it inside the about me. I don't know yet. But yeah, I want to make a few changes here, and we're going to pretty it up. I'm going to stretch this to make it look different, because if you actually open this up, it's not fit to the page. So right there, it'll actually stop. And if that's the case, I don't know if I want to do it across the page in a smaller section, or if I want to put it up in a corner and make it kind of a square right there. I don't know yet. Still trying to figure that out. But yeah, this looks a lot better, I think. You could do more things with this. I mean, yeah. But that's kind of what I wanted to go over with this video. Like I said, I'll do more in the next few videos. But let's just leave it at that. This is Jason with Zero to Programmer, and I'll see you on the next video.